Hello, Miss.
Hello. Hello. Moy, Axel, Joana, Gael, Carlos, Leo. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Moy. How are you?
Hello. Good.
Hello, Diego.
Hello.
Hello. Adeline. Hello, Leo. Alberto, hello.
Hello.
How are you? Fine? Hello,
Hello, teacher.
Carlos.
Hello. Hello,
Christian,
teacher. Teacher.
tell me.
Teacher,
What happened?
I couldn't change the name because my sister was using the computer, so I didn't know how to
Okay,
change the teacher. Name.
okay, don't worry.
Teacher.
Yeah,
Hello.
I don't
go.
one moment, teacher. Moisés.
Tell me.
Teacher,
Yes, Chris.
y si
¿Qué
no
pasó,
tenemos
Axel?
las puntuation cards.
Ah, don't worry. Don't worry. In a moment, we play with another thing. Don't worry. Okay, it's because only we have 30 minutes for working and the rest of the time we are playing. Do you remember Hangman? Hangman? Ahorcado?
Yes.
So,
No. Yes.
we can play Hangman. Okay, so
Sí,
let's start. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
For this session, you need only your learning log. Okay? Your learning log. And obviously, your pencil case, right? Yes?
One moment, teacher. One moment.
Oh,
One moment.
okay, go for your learning log and your pencil case, please. Happy Children's Day.
Thank you.
Happy day. Love
Thanks,
you.
teacher. Thank you.
Okay, ready? Are you ready for this?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, do you remember that I want to share with you my board? Okay, don't forget to turn off your microphones. The microphones. Moy, Etsuko, Carlos, your microphone, please. Microphones, thank you. Okay, do you remember these kind of sentences? Let me share with you my board and you can see the sentences. What I am talking about, okay? Please, microphones. There are some microphones open. Okay, so do you remember this? Pay attention, eh? This expression. Okay, this is number one, and another is. Do you remember this expression? Yeah? Okay, and we says, please don't write anything on the screen. Okay, says, the first one says, let's, oh, it's missing an S here. Let's, sorry, it's let's eat mom and let's eat mom, okay? Do you notice the difference? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we said that the number one means that we want to eat our mom, right? We want to eat our mom. And the number two, it's like an invitation, okay? Like, let's eat, mom, okay? Yes or no? Do you remember this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
And we said, what a comma, right? Because if you don't write comma, the sentence completely its meaning, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
today the end in mind of this class is taking common all of punctuation marks that you need to write a paragraph, a story, okay? Punctuation marks. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, listen. Check check another example. Imagine if I say, I want to eat chocolate, hamburger, and I don't know, cake. Okay, what is missing in that sentence?
Next to chocolate,
Comma.
comma.
You can say, I want to eat chocolate, comma. Where another comma? Where I need to write another one?
In hamburger.
Hamburger.
What happened at the end of the sentence? What
The point.
I
want to eat
that
Point.
hamburger.
right? Yes or no?
Hamburger.
Hamburger.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Another. Okay. I need the following things. Paper, microphones, scissors, color. What is missing in that sentence? What do you think is missing?
And a comma.
The point where, Barbara?
Next to
I need the following things there.
Okay. In this case, here I need something, but do you remember what is
2 points. 2 points.
in this case? Don't forget that are colon. Okay.
Colon.
I need the following things: colon, paper, comma, scissors, comma, and colors. Okay. And for example, when you say the teacher said, "Happy day." What I need in that?
The colon. The comma.
The comma.
The colon. Comma.
But listen.
Colon, teacher.
Listen, it's something that I said. What do you need?
Colon.
Comma. Colon, teacher. Colon.
Okay, listen again. It's something that I said. What
The exclamation.
It's not exclamation. The correct name is
Exclamation point.
quotation marks.
Quotation mark.
Don't forget, do you need a comma here, and then you need quotation marks, okay? Happy day, because it's someone that, it's something that someone says, okay? Or someone said, it's quotation marks, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, listen. Another example. Pay attention to this. Okay. I love chocolate. What happened with that sentence? Tell me.
Comma.
Huh? Do you think?
Comma next to love.
Do you think that comma?
Colon, teacher. Colon.
Comma.
One by one.
Colon,
Don't forget that you
Colon,
can
teacher.
capital letter. Okay?
Colon.
Capital what?
Capital I.
Exactly. You need a capital I. Okay? Capital I. And at the end of the sentence, what do you need?
A point.
Period. In this case, the name of this is period, not point, right? Period. Okay. So, are you ready to start with the activities?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, let me stop to share my screen. And go to your learning log, page 76. Yeah, 76. Oh, in which page we are?
76.
76. Okay. Let's continue with the learning log. Let me show you my learning log. Microphones, turn off the microphones, please. Microphones off, please. Okay. Do you see my learning log?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do this page. Okay, we are in page number
Yes.
here, right? Okay,
Yes.
if you can see, we have different punctuation marks, comma, apostrophe, colon, semicolon, and quotation marks, okay? And obviously, you know, in which situation you can use one of each, okay? It's to divide different things in a list, okay? Like I like hamburgers, comma, chocolates, comma, and pizza, right?
Teacher, where
Yes.
is the apostrophe?
Apostrophe is when you make a I forget this name. When you have to make a when you say, for example, it is, and you says it's, okay, and
Oh,
you use
thanks.
apostrophe, okay. Instead you say it is, you can says it's, right, and you use an apostrophe, right. Colon are 2 points in this case. In this case, point and point. Colon. Okay. Semicolon is point and a comma, right? Point and a comma. And quotation marks is when you repeat something that someone says, right? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have to read the exercise number 1 that says weather around the world. Okay, Carlos, can you read the paragraph number 1, Carlos, please?
Okay, winter around the world. It's freezing in Stockholm, and the snow's coming down. The sun's shining in New York, but there's frost on the ground. So be careful on the sidewalks. It's easy all around. It is the weather around the world.
Okay, thank you, Carlos.
Hi,
Okay.
teacher.
Yes,
Hello, teacher. Hi.
Christian, the second paragraph.
In Mexico City, backloads are commonly how to play. It's not raining yet, but there's a storm on the way. It's
Okay.
also hot and humid, but it's like the most day. It's the weather around the world.
Okay, Barbara, can you read the next, please?
Yes. This is the weather around the world. The weather around the world.
Okay, please, Karen, can you continue with the next one? In Beijing.
Yes, teacher. In Beijing, from the mountains, cold winds blow. It's getting pretty misty and visibility is low. It's chilly out, so stay indoors if you have nowhere to go. It's the weather around the world.
Okay.
Me,
Thank
teacher.
you. Yes, please.
Who?
Diego.
There are thin fog in London. You can see much of it. There are school. There have not fall, and it is in Dublin. Good weather for the mall in the weather around the world.
Okay, the last one, Iram.
That was the weather around the world. The weather around the world.
Okay, listen, if you can see, we can check different weathers around the world, okay? And says Stockholm, Mexico, New York, Beijing, Dublin, Moscow, okay? Yes? So, in the exercise number, okay, you have a square, yes, that says cold, sunny, poor visibility. We have to write different countries or different places in which the weather is cold. Tell me, what are those countries, according with the reading, those countries where the weather is cold? Tell me.
Nueva York.
London, teacher, London.
London.
Nueva York.
What else? New York, but London is
New York.
listen, okay.
Beijing.
Etsuko says New York, so we can write it here. Sorry, in this part, New York.
What page?
New York. What else?
Teacher, what page?
Page 74, I think. New York. What else? In which another place is cold? Tell me. It's New York. But where are the mountains? Where are the mountains?
Canada.
Canada. It's in the reading. According with the reading. What?
Beijing.
Moscow. Exactly.
Dublin, teacher, Dublin.
Dublin. Beijing. What else? Is missing one?
Teacher, I see you, Moscow.
But Moscow is
Stockholm.
Dublin.
exactly. Stockholm is C-O. Okay. Yes, this is the answer in the number 1.
Yes.
And if you can see, I am writing with commas because this is a list, right? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Let's continue. Where the weather is sunny? In which places is sunny? Only is one.
In New York.
New York.
Mexico City, teacher. Mexico
New York.
City.
And Mexico,
Mexico City, teacher.
And
Mexico City.
okay, right, you're right. New York and Mexico City. And the last, poor visibility. When you can see, poor visibility.
Teacher,
Yes.
London,
In
teacher.
Beijing.
can you
Beijing.
go a little bit down the
Beijing.
because
London, teacher. London.
Beijing. London.
London.
What else? What else? Beijing, London. Are missing two?
Stockholm, New York.
New York, no. New York. Dublin, exactly.
Moscow.
What else? Moscow, and it's missing one.
Dublin.
And it's missing one.
Beijing.
No.
Mexico City.
Beijing is written. No, Mexico City. Stockholm.
Chile, teacher.
Stockholm. Okay, ready?
Moscow.
Sorry. Can you see the answers?
Yes.
Yeah? Can you see the answers? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Doubts? Are you in doubt until this moment?
No, teacher.
No, teacher. No, teacher.
Is everything
No,
clear?
teacher.
No, teacher.
No.
No.
No?
No.
No.
No,
May I
No,
continue?
teacher.
May I continue?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Listen. Let's make an active pause. What do you think about it?
Yes.
Okay, listen. Can you see my hands?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you do this? This? Okay. One of your hand, it's like this. And another one, like this. Okay? And then you have to put it in the opposite way. You have
Eso
to
ya lo jugamos con el profesor de educación física.
No es cierto.
try to do it. Try to do it. Move your fingers. Be careful. Inés, please do it. Try to do it. Faster. 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 Cesar, what are you doing? Faster. 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 Yes? Can you do it?
Yes, teacher.
Teacher,
Yes.
No, teacher.
I need to go to the beach.
Are complicated.
You need to go where, Carlos?
Teacher, I go to the
Teacher, aren't we going to do the page 77?
Are you ready for the next page?
Yes.
Yes?
Thanks, teacher.
Okay. Microphones,
Yes.
please. Turn off microphones again.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Share with you the next page in the learning log. Okay, we are here. Okay, then listen. This is work in pairs. Read the postcard. Okay, in the following postcard are missing punctuation marks. Okay, yes, you have to write. Yeah, you have to write capital letters with green, with red, question marks with brown, apostrophes with blue, exclamation marks with pink, marks with purple, and commas with orange. Okay? Yes? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. But let's continue with the exercise number 3, and then you can do it the exercise number 2 alone, right? So let's continue with the exercise number 3. In the exercise number 3, you have different sentences. But those sentences have a mistake. You have to check it. The exercise number 1 is missing, and you have to say what is missing and where. Yes? Yes or no?
yes.
Please, you have
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
2 minutes. Do this alone. Please, 2 minutes. 2 minutes to do the exercise. And in a moment, we check our answers. Please, exercise number 3.
Number 3, teacher.
Yes, please, do it. Exercise number 3. And in 2 minutes, we have to check our answers, okay? So, if you want, we can dance. Do you want to dance? No? You do.
Yes.
Macarena?
Oiga, teacher, las tenemos que poner esta. Teacher, what is a semicolon? Digo, semicolon.
Semicolon needs point and comma. Yes, Maite?
Lo tenemos... Perdón. Tenemos que escribirlos bien en las líneas de abajo.
Please. You have to... Yes?
Today is my birthday.
Yes, Carlos?
Yes.
So, everybody, happy birthday to Carlos. Open your microphones and 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday to
Carlos.
Carlos.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Yes. Happy birthday, Carlos.
Happy birthday,
Thank you.
Chaniki.
Have a nice day. Okay,
Happy birthday, Chaniki.
let's start, right? Let's start. Who has the number 1?
Me?
The number 1. Who has it?
Me, teacher.
Okay.
Barbara.
Barbara, can you write it in the chat box, please?
Yes. Here?
Write it, okay. Barbara says that the number 1 is, please read chat box, can you write it?
Yes.
Okay, Barbara, it's reading, okay. The number 1 in the chat box. Okay, so, okay, just a few color pencils. Okay, but what is the correct answer? Okay.
I can't write more.
Okay, but
it's beside pencils. It's next pencils.
okay, but you says just a few color pencils were available. Okay. Okay, there is missing a punctuation mark. Which is that? Which is that?
A comma. Comma, teacher.
Do you think so?
A comma.
Yes.
Yes.
But you need to introduce a list.
No, double
Just a
point.
few colors. Comma, pencils, grabbable, green,
Okay,
orange,
list
and purple.
Points.
points. What is the name of that, Barbara? Are not points, are columns.
Commas.
Listen, the
Columns.
number one is yours.
Que me diga que yo quiero un
Attention. Hey, listen. Where available. And here columns. And green, comma. Do you understand this?
Yes.
You need column because you introduce a list, right? For that reason, you need column. Green, orange, and purple is a list. Okay? So, the number 2. The number
Teacher, ¿lo escribimos así como usted lo escribió?
periods because I don't have enough space, right? You know that.
Thanks.
Okay. Listen, the number 2 says, on our vacations, we will visit Paris, France,
Teacher, yo lo escribí como usted lo escribió.
Italy, and Vienna, Australia. It is wrong. Is it correct?
No.
Okay.
Columns, teacher.
Here, where?
Double point. 2 points.
Okay, listen. Where is Paris?
Where beside visit?
But okay, but listen. Where is? But in which place is Paris?
In France. France.
Listen, I write it in the chat. In the chat box. Okay. Pay attention. Is on or vacation. We will visit. Listen, we will visit Paris, comma, Paris, comma, France. Then we need semicolons because we separate
Teacher, I'm right.
colon. And then you need Rome, comma, Italy.
Teacher,
Then,
no se ve lo que está escribiendo.
in a moment I share with
France,
Yes, teacher.
comma, Rome, comma. Teacher, may I go to the restroom?
Yes, you can. It's not necessary that you ask to me. And
Teacher, are missing a comma next to France.
Yeah.
okay, listen.
Yes.
I share with you. Okay, if you analyze it, we in the chat box, we are dividing different countries because Paris is in France. So semicolon, Rome is in Italy, semicolon, and Vienna is in Austria, right? Yes. So we are separating different places using semicolon, right?
Yes.
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 Teacher, o sea, todos los separamos con semicolon.
Listen, Chris, is Paris, comma, France, semicolon. Rome, comma, Italy, semicolon. And Vienna, comma, Austria. Okay? You are
What, teacher? What?
you can see it in the chat box. I wrote there.
But teacher, it doesn't see your answer.
It?
It doesn't.
Ahora sí, ya tengo video.
Raise your hand if you can see the answer in the chat box. Thank you. Because I don't know if someone can see. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Are you ready?
Sí, dígale a César que apague su micrófono, que suena muy raro.
Let me turn the microphone.
Es que se está cayendo mi tableta.
Cesar, okay. Thank you, Cesar. Cesar, it's turned on off in this moment. Number 3. Our school play will begin at 8. What is that? 8:45 p.m. What is missing? What is missing?
In the
A
8
comma.
Comma?
a colon in the oh 8.
Exactly. A colon in the hour, like this. 8:45. Yes. 8:45 in the hour. Okay. 8:45. Okay. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. The number
Yes,
4.
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Yes,
The
teacher.
dinner, listen. The dinner choices were a steak, potatoes, and spinach. A hamburger, fruit salad, and beans, or chicken, rice, and peas. Okay, this is the same like the number 2. You have to divide different options using semicolon. Okay, for example, the dinner. Okay, I'm writing
The
it.
dinner choices were
The dinner choices were a steak, comma, potatoes, and spinach. Semicolon. A hamburger, fruit, salad, and beans. Semicolon. Or chicken, rice, and peas. Okay? You have three different menus. You have to divide it using semicolon, right? The same as the countries. Yes or no?
yes.
Teacher, can
Okay.
you repeat it, please?
Yes.
Yes,
Because
teacher.
I was in the third one.
Okay. Can you see the chat box, Barbara?
No, I can't. I can't see it.
I sent the message only to you. Okay. If you can check it better.
Where
Okay,
I
thank you.
stick.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Yes or no? Are you ready?
No, teacher. No. Yes, teacher. Teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher. Hamburger.
The number 5 is so easy. The opening phrases of A Tale of Two Cities are memorable. It was the best of the time. It was the worst of times. What do you think is missing between memorable and it was? What do you think
A
it's missing?
comma.
Comma, do you think? But you have
Colon. Point.
colon,
Or
exactly.
what, teacher?
Number 5, memorable, colon, it was, okay? We are in the number 5, okay? Memorable, colon, it was, okay? Yes? Yes or no?
What, teacher?
Number 5, memorable, colon, and was,
Yes, teacher.
okay?
Más fácil.
The number 6, what do you think it's missing? Two ideas, you have to separate ideas. It's semicolon, where do you have to
Winnie
write?
did an excellent job, Honor.
Okay.
Some others also could be have done.
Okay, but where do you need the semicolon?
No.
Where do you think you
We
need?
need this. Winnie did an excellent job, however, semicolon, other also could have done well.
Almost, is Winnie did an excellent job, right? Semicolon. However, Winnie did an excellent job. Semicolon. However, Okay. However, okay, the number 7. We don't have to go if it rains. I hope it rains. Two different ideas. You have to divide two different ideas using same.
We don't have to go, comma.
What? Tell me, Cesar. Divide two different ideas where you have to write semicolons. We don't have to go if it rains. I hope it rains.
Me ayudas con mi compu. Me ayudas.
Where do you think we need the semicolon? Divide to only two ideas.
In the have to go.
Okay.
We don't have to go.
No, really? Well, okay, listen.
I hope it rains.
Exactly. It's rain, semicolon, I hope. Ok. Chicos, si se caduca, les pido si se vuelven a meter, porfa, para explicarles su tarea.
Teacher, so we have to get out and enter again?
Yes. Y si se sale la sesión, si se caduca, chicos, vuelven a entrar con el mismo ID y contraseña. ¿Ok?
Okay.
Okay. So we have to, I need to explain to you the evaluable activity, okay? For today, you have an evaluable activity, okay? But I want to play with you hangman, okay? Do you want to play hangman?
What?
Mercado?
Yes.
Okay. In this case, this
Yes.
contest is boys versus girls, okay? So, boys versus...
Moisés.
Boy versus girls, okay? It's not Moises.
Teacher, is for a bubble gum in the class?
Yeah, for bubblegum. Not Moises. Today is Hulk. Right, Moy?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, pay attention. I want to share with you my board, okay? And you have to try to say in the chat box, teacher, see the hangman. Yes or no?
What?
Teacher.
Okay, listen. My word, the first word, let me erase this. Let me erase. Okay. My word has 8 letters. Okay. My word has 8 letters. Please don't write anything. Don't write anything on my screen. Thank you. My word has 8 letters. Okay. Can you erase that? The student that is doing that, can you erase? Thank you. Okay. Listen. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Who can say a word? A letter, sorry. A letter.
A.
Elephant.
Please, because if you say A, I can hear it. Okay. Iram says A. No. A girl in the chat box. A girl. So no, Iram, no. Elephant, no, Barbara. Okay. A letter. Axel says M. No. This is for the... Etsuko says S. No. The girls.
Teacher.
Ayelin
Teacher.
says A. No. One by one.
Teacher O.
One by one. Iram says B. No.
Teacher O.
Only one. Only one. Oh, who say O? Can you write it in the chat box?
No te escuchan.
Carlos,
Hasta el otro.
Carlos, ¿cómo es que tu playera se pone de colores, Carlos?
No. No, Moisés. You, Ashley? No, Ashley.
Carlos, ¿cómo es eso?
Kendra, P. No, Kendra.
No sé.
A. No.
No.
Barbara G. No. David, one by one. A. Children. Who says who said children? Who said children?
Diego.
Go, okay. A point for